Hello students, in the previous lecture we have studied about series voltage regulator. In the present lecture we will discuss about shunt voltage regulator. This is the basic block diagram of the shunt voltage regulator. In the series voltage regulator, the control element is connected in series between Vi and V0, whereas here the control element is connected in shunt. If the load voltage tries to change due to change in load resistance, the sampling circuit provides a feedback signal to the comparator. The comparator in turn will compare the feedback signal and reference signal and generates a control signal. Control signal is applied to control element. Depending on control signal, the control element will change the current ISH. The current ISH is changed in such a way that any change in output are nullified to maintain the output voltage constant. Thereby, it regulates the output voltage. This is the shunt voltage regulator using op-amp. The potential divider forms here R1 and R2 provides a feedback signal to the inverting terminal of op-amp. The feedback signal is R2 upon R1 plus R2 into V0. The op-amp compares the input at inverting and non-inverting terminal. The input at non-inverting terminal is the reference voltage provided by Vz. Op-amp compares the voltage at inverting terminal with the reference voltage generated by Zener diode and provides the control signal. By this control signal, the current through the resistor Rs is controlled. To drop a voltage across Rs so that the output voltage is maintained constant. Thereby, the output voltage is controlled here, is regulated here. The comparator compares the input at inverting and non-inverting terminal and generates a control signal. The control signal in return will generate a drop across Rs in such a way that output voltage is maintained constant. So this is the shunt voltage regulator using op-amp. Next, we have to study about IC voltage regulator. Regulation circuit in integrated circuit formed are widely used. These are generally three-terminal devices that provide a positive or negative output or sometimes have variable voltage output. IC voltage regulator thus classified as fixed output voltage regulator, adjustable output voltage regulator, switching regulator, and spatial regulator. You have to study these three types of voltage regulator here. This is the fixed output voltage regulator. It has an unregulated DC input Vin applied to one input terminal and a regulated output DC voltage V0 from second terminal and third terminal connected to ground. This is the fixed output voltage regulator. You can see here. The popular IC series of three-terminal voltage regulator are 78XX and 79XX. A typical 78XX series voltage regulator is used for positive voltages, and 79 series are negative voltage regulator. 79XX series are negative voltage regulator. So it is divided into fixed output voltage regulator is divided into two types, that is fixed output voltage regulator, fixed positive voltage regulator that will provide the positive voltages, and fixed negative voltage regulator that will provide negative voltages. So the fixed positive voltage regulator include 78XX series, which will provide positive voltage regulator, and fixed negative voltage regulator are 79XX series, which will provide negative voltages. This is the basic diagram of three-terminal voltage regulator. This is the voltage divider that will provide feedback signal. Here there is V reference. This is comparator, which will compare these two and generates a control signal. This is a current limiting component, and this is series pass transistor, which will act as control element here. So there are three terminal, V in, V out, and common. This you have studied earlier. This is fixed positive voltage regulator. Here you can see fixed positive voltage regulator consists of 78XX series. 78XX series will give you positive voltages, and unregulated input voltage Vin is filtered by capacitor C1 and connected to IC in terminal. The IC out terminal provides a regulated voltage which is filtered by capacitor C2. The popular IC series of three-terminal regulator here is 78XX. The third terminal is grounded here. So these are the positive voltage regulator series here, providing different output voltages. Next is fixed negative voltage regulator. The series 79XX regulator are three-terminal IC regulator that provides a fixed negative output voltages. These are the 79XX series providing different negative voltages here. Next classification is adjustable voltage regulator. Voltage regulator which allow to set the output voltage to a desired regulated value is known as adjustable voltage regulator. LM317 is an example of adjustable voltage regulator. It can be operated over the range of voltages from 1.2 to 37. These are the series of LM317 regulators, IC series. These are the adjustable voltage regulator giving different range of output here. Here you can see that by connecting R1 and R2 externally, an adjustable output voltage can be obtained. V out here is equals to V regulated into R2 upon R1 plus R2. So this is that is all for today. Today we have studied about shunt voltage regulator, in which the control element is connected in shunt voltage regulator using op-amp, then IC voltage regulator, fixed output voltage regulator, and adjustable output voltage regulator. These two series of voltage regulator, IC voltage regulator, we have discussed. In fixed output voltage regulator, there are two types, the fixed negative voltage regulator, fixed positive voltage regulator. So fixed positive voltage regulator includes the IC series 78XX, and fixed negative voltage regulator includes the series 79XX. Fixed output voltage regulator are the three terminal device. Here you can see this is the diagram. This is the general diagram, basic block diagram. Then fixed positive voltage regulator, fixed negative voltage regulator. Then we have studied about adjustable voltage regulator, and adjustable voltage regulators are available in LM317 IC. So here the output voltage can be adjusted by R1 and R2. So